Hello children, welcome back to my channel. We are doing SSC questions in physics first chapter, reflection of light at curved surface, and in that I have completed 2 marks questions, 4 marks questions and 6 marks questions. All these questions are right from 2015 till last examination children. Till that I have taken all the questions that you have got in previous papers, and that I have written the answers, and I am doing this for you. I hope it is going to help you a lot. So 6 marks question, 4 questions I have discussed. Now I am doing fifth question. The fifth question is as follows. An object of height 5 centimeters is placed at 30 centimeters distance on the principal axis in front of a concave mirror of a focal length 20. So focal length of the concave mirror is 20 centimeters and height of the object is 5 centimeters and the distance object distance is 30 centimeters. Then find the image distance and size of the image. The question is you need to find out what is the at which distance the image is formed, that is image distance, and what is the size of the image that is formed. So what is given I have written here is children, object distance u is minus 30 centimeters. See here they have given 30 centimeters. I took it as minus 30 centimeters. Why? Because of sign conventions which you have learnt. Because here, see, from object the rays goes to the lens in this way. To the mirror, from the object into the mirror we measure in this way, but image distance from the mirror we measure in this way. So these two are in opposite direction. So according to sign convention, we have to take its value as a negative. So we have taken it as a negative. U is minus 30. That is object distance is minus 30. And focal length is given to you. No, focal length, how much they have given? 20 centimeters. So that also you have to take it as minus 20 centimeters. And height of the object is given as 5 centimeters. Image distance you need to find out, and the size of the image also you have to find out. This is the question, and the values that are given I have written here children. So this solution we will get through mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v is the mirror formula. So basing on this mirror formula, we need V. What is V children? V is nothing but image distance. So you want image distance means you have to make 1 by V as a subject. When you make 1 by V as a subject, 1 by U goes to the other side, it becomes minus. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U you will be taking. And here 1 by V is equal to, what did I do? I took LCM for this. That is FU, U minus F. You know pretty well this. You have got 1 by V is equal to U minus F by FU. Now you want V. V means you have to write reciprocal of it. When you are writing reciprocal of LHS, you have to write reciprocal of RHS also. So U minus F by FU becomes FU by U minus F. So here F value is minus 20 into U value is minus 30 by minus 30 minus of minus 20. U minus F means this minus is a symbol of the formula, and this minus is the value that we have got it. So we are getting minus into minus plus 20 into 30, 600 by minus 30. Here also minus into minus is plus 20. So 600 by minus 10, that is 0, 0 will get cancelled and you will be getting minus 60. So the image distance is minus 60. V value is minus 60 centimeters. This is the answer children for V. Here they have asked image distance, we have written. Now magnification. The object height, size of the image we need, no? That we can find out by using magnification formula. What is magnification formula, children? Minus V by U. Minus of minus 60. V is minus 60, no? So minus of minus 60 by U is minus 30. That is plus 60 by minus 30. So 32 are, so minus 2 you will be getting. So magnification we have got with the help of V and U value. You are getting magnification value. Sorry, children. But you need to find out, the problem is size of the image. So magnification has two formulas, children. One is magnification is equal to minus V by U, and another one is magnification is equal to HI by HO. HI means height of image by HO, height of the object. So to get this magnification value, we took V and U and we found out what is magnification. So magnification, other formula HI by HO, that is a image height we don't know, but object height is 5 centimeters is equal to minus 2. So what is HI? HI is nothing but 5 into minus 2, children. Here 5 into minus 2. 5 into minus 2 is nothing but 5 into minus 2 is nothing but minus 10 centimeters. So thus image that is formed is real, inverted and of the size of 10 centimeters. This is the answer for this problem, children. This is fifth one. And sixth one, you see, a student conducted an experiment to observe the characteristics of image formed by spherical mirrors and recorded his observations as follows. Observe the table and answer the following. See, number, how many times he has seen or how many positions he has taken, and position of the object, position of the image, enlarged image or diminished image, erected or inverted, real or virtual. So first one, he kept the object between P and F. Here he got the image formation behind the mirror. It is an enlarged image. It is an erect image. It is a virtual image. Between F and C, when he kept the object, he got image beyond C, and it is an enlarged image and inverted image, and then real image. Okay. Next, on C, it is when the object is placed on C, image is also on C. It is of the same size. So same size and it is inverted. The image is inverted and real image. Beyond C, between F and C, it is beyond C when the object is placed. Image is between F and C. It is a diminished image. It is inverted. Image got inverted and real image. These are the observations he has made. This totally is the question, children. So different questions are given down. Basing on this table, we have to answer. Above said information belongs to which spherical mirror? These all observations belong to which spherical mirror? It is a concave mirror. And in which situation magnification is less than 1? See, children, magnification is 1 means what? The size of the object and the size of the image will be same. But when you say that it is less than 1, that means a diminished image is formed. So when the diminished image is formed, when the object is placed beyond C only, no, it is see, fourth point, beyond C only we are getting diminished image. So magnification is less than 1. When the object is placed beyond C, magnification is less than 1. Magnification less than 1 means what? In a way he is saying that diminished image. Okay. Next, see, children, 1 is taken as the account. All the values which are less than 1, they are all diminished images. Values more than 1 are magnified images. You should remember that. An object of height 8 centimeters is placed at the center of curvature on the principal axis. Then, where do you get the image and what is its height? What is given here, children? An object of height 8 centimeters. Where is it placed? it is placed in front of, it is placed at the center of curvature. The image is placed at center of curvature. The object is placed at center of curvature on the principal axis. Then where do you get the image? And when the object is placed at C, on C means image is also on C. So image will be formed at C only. And what is the height? Height of the same size. Same size means whatever is the size of the height of the object, that is 8 centimeters. Image is also 8 centimeters only. D bit. All real images are inverted. Justify the statement by using above table. In a given table, all real images are inverted. Here you see in the table, real, 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 invert, invert, invert. All real images are inverted. So we can say that all real images are inverted. This is the answer for it, children. And seventh question, radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 6 centimeters. That is C point is 6 centimeters. Draw ray diagrams for the object placed on the principal axis at 8 centimeters and at 4 centimeters. Two ray diagrams you need to draw. So first let us say radius of curvature is 6 centimeters. When the object is placed at 8, 8 is means what, away from 6. Object is beyond C. So when it is beyond C, image will be formed at between F and C, and it will be a diminished image and a real image. See, the figure is here. See, this is mirror and this is the principal axis, and object is 8 centimeters from here to here. The distance is 8 centimeters. So incident ray falls upon the mirror and passes through principal focus. Another incident ray passing through principal focus pass parallel to principal axis. These two reflected rays meet at this point. This is the image, inverted image, which is formed between F and C, and it is a diminished image. When the object is placed at 4, see, radius is 6 centimeters and it is placed at 4. When it is placed at 4, what do you understand, children? Object is here. Object is here. You can see this. See, 6 centimeters is from here to here. See, 6 centimeters. Object is placed at 4 centimeters. Then say from here a ray passing parallel to principal axis. This is the reflected ray passing through focus, and another ray passing through principal focus, and it is reflecting parallel to principal axis. These two rays, reflected rays, are meeting here. This is the image formation. Object is between F and C, so image is formed beyond C, and it is a magnified image. So I'll say that image is formed beyond C. It is a magnified image, inverted image, and real image. These are the two figures they have asked you to draw, children. Next question, eighth question. Magnification of the image formed by a spherical mirror is minus 1.25. Based on this information, answer the following questions. See, children, earlier I told you, if magnification is less than 1, it is a diminished image. If magnification is 1, it is of the same size of the object. If magnification is more than 1, it is a magnified image. So here M is minus 1.25 means it is a magnified image. So let us see what all the questions they have asked. Which kind of mirror forms such an image? Definitely concave mirror forms such an image. Write the characteristics of the image. So what are the characteristics you see? Image is formed beyond C. It is a real image. It is an inverted image. It is magnified image. I told you 1.25 means it is more than 1. So it is a magnified image. Minus indicates that it is an inverted image. Okay. Then next question. If the size of the object is 2 centimeters, what is the size of the image? Size of the object is 2 centimeters means for children, HO is 2 centimeters, magnification is minus 1.25. So magnification is HI by HO. means height of image by height of object, that is minus 1.25. Height of image by 2, object size is 2, is equal to minus 1.25. So height of image is 2 into minus 1.25, that is minus 2.5 centimeters. So the size of the object is 2.5 centimeters. Minus indicates that it is inverted image. Next, what is the D question, children, for this? Write the position of the object on the principal axis. The position of the object is between F and C. Only when object is between F and C, then only the image will be magnified image. Okay, this is 8th one. Now 9th one. Write the materials required and experimental procedure in the experiment for observing the types of the types of images, and measuring the object distance and image distance from a concave mirror. What is the question, children? What are the materials that you want to conduct an experiment? What is the experiment? Experiment for observing types of images. Which type of image is formed? And measuring the object distance and image distance. How to means in the experiment you need to measure the object distance as well as image distance. For conducting this experiment, what are the materials required you have to write, and also you need to write the procedure, experimental procedure also. So here to find aim is what, children? Here to find here, sorry, focal length we cannot write. Object distance and image distance we have to write. Here what we need to write is object distance and image distance of concave mirror. Let me write it, children. That is, aim is to find the object distance and image distance of concave mirror. This is what is our aim. And then materials required, what do you want? Same as that of the earlier experiment. If you know that, you can write this also. Candle, paper, concave mirror, V-stand, measuring tape or metal scale. See, this is the same figure I have given to you, children. Same figure. Procedure also I have written same. The same thing I have copied. Only that, see, if you know one answer, that should help you to answer the other question also. All these are almost the same questions, but in the previous question they asked for focal length. So you have written focal length, how it has to be find out. Here only object distance means what? Up to certain extent, up to this only we can write. See, I will show you in the previous paper, the previous question, I think it is a fourth one, I think, children, fourth one. See here, after determining the value of V at various positions, substituting the values in this mirror equation and finding out of F is there. Why? Because it is to measure the focal length. But in this problem, in this question, what is given to us, what is that they have asked? They have asked here how to find the object distance and image distance. So we have to write the same points here. Stop it here at 8. Determine the value of V for various positions of U, that is 80 centimeters, 60 centimeters, 40 centimeters and 20 centimeters. So see, children, fix a concave mirror to the holder. Here, this is the holder, you have to fix it and keep the holder on the table. Keep the candle in front of the mirror. See, this is the mirror, and in front of the mirror you are keeping the candle, and then keep a screen to catch the image of the candle. See, this is the screen which is placed to measure to find the image of the candle. Adjust the screen to get a clean image of the candle. This screen should be adjusted so that you will get a clean, clear image. Okay, measure the object distance and measure the image distance, means where you are getting a clear image. For that, what is the object distance, what is the image distance? By using this scale you can measure, and same way you have to keep the object at various positions: 80 centimeters, at 60 centimeters, at 40 centimeters, at 20 centimeters. At each position, when you adjust the screen, the place at the where we are getting the correct image, crystal clear image, that is V distance, image distance. So like that you have to find out image distances. So the points are same. I have not altered anything, children. If you learn that fourth answer, you can write this fifth answer, this ninth answer also. Okay. Now the next one, draw ray diagram to show the image formed when an object is placed at 10 centimeters away from center of curvature. Please understand, children. After center of curvature, 10 centimeters away to on the principal axis of a concave mirror. Write the characteristics of the image. See, this is the figure. This is the concave mirror. This is principal axis, principal focus, and center of curvature. At from center of curvature, see, from center of curvature 10 centimeters away. See, I have written here. Object is placed here. So incident ray goes till the mirror and it passes through, reflects through principal focus. Another ray passes through principal focus and reflects as parallel ray. These two rays will meet at a point. If you draw a perpendicular, that is the image distance. This is what the ray diagram that we are drawing, children, because when they say that it is 10 centimeters away from center of curvature, we know pretty well that it is beyond C. When the object is beyond C, image will be formed definitely between F and C. It is a diminished image. It is a real image. This is what we are going to talk about. The object is placed at 10 centimeters away from the concave mirror. That means the object is beyond center of curvature. The figure is this. Characteristics image will be formed between F and C, and it is an inverted image. It is a real image. It is a diminished image. This is the answer, children, for this question. So with this, all 6 marks questions got finished. Now let us say objectives, children. A mirror always forms an erect, diminished, and virtual image. How is the image? Image is an erected image, and it is a diminished image, and it is a virtual image. For an object placed at different positions, means let object distance be any place, but the image is always erect, diminished, virtual image. The observations noted by the student are as follows. Observations noted by the students, what is that, children? It is concave mirror. First observation is it is concave mirror. Second observation is magnification of that image is always less than 1. Less than 1, because diminished means less than 1 only. Then mirror can be used as a rear view mirror. So without giving the name of the mirror, the uses they have given, mirror can be used as a rear view mirror. Which mirror we use for rear view mirror, children? It's a convex mirror. Actually, what is given here, these are all the characteristic properties of convex mirror only. So, which is correct? The correct observations are second one and third one. Magnification will be always less than 1, and it is the mirror is nothing but a rear view mirror, means used as a rear view mirror, that means convex mirror. Second question, where should we keep object to get large virtual image with concave mirror? Large virtual image means between P and F. Dentist uses dash to observe the teeth. Concave mirror he uses to observe the teeth. Magnification of the image when the object is placed at C is minus. C is a dash. Dash is minus 1. 1 it is because same size, minus because it is an inverted image. So because the image is of the same size and is inverted. Next, this is only the explanation that I have written, children. You have to only tick this minus 1. Which of the following does not lie in the plane of reflection? Reflection plane. Actually, when you remember the laws of reflection, you were talking about three rays. One is incident ray, then reflected ray, then normal ray. So, when you are talking incident ray is here, a reflected ray is here, normal ray is there. All these are there on that plane of reflection, but reflection surface will not be there. So that is A is answer. A student held a pencil close to the spherical mirror and asked for four students W, X, Y, and Z to predict the nature of the mirror with the help of the image formed. So a teacher has taken a mirror and he placed a pencil in front of it and he called four students by name W, X, Y, and Z. And he said the image was erect and enlarged. Then the four students identified. He asked them to identify. W has identified it as convex in nature. X are identified as concave in nature. Y plano mirror. Z plano concave mirror. So who is correct, children? Definitely the correct statement was given by concave mirror. No, it is not C, children. It is X. Given by X. Concave in nature because image is erect, enlarged. Erect and enlarged image, and it is what he said, virtual image it is. So that is formed only because enlarged image will never form in convex mirror. Okay. Next, which of the following is used as a rear view mirrors? Convex mirror, plane mirror, concave mirror, glass slab. It is nothing but convex mirror. Next, eighth question. Range of magnification value due to convex mirror. Convex mirror is always less than 1, children. So it is 0, less than equal to m, and less than 1 is the answer for it. Means magnification will be between 0 and 1, less than 1 only, not more than 1. Okay. If an object is placed beyond C in front of a concave mirror, then the position of the image definitely it is between F and C. Magnification of an image formed due to concave mirror is +2. Hence, the object is 4 centimeters. Height of the object is 4 centimeters. Then height of the image. Height of the image. See, object HO by HI by HO. HI by HY is equal to magnification. That is HI by 4 is equal to +2. So HI is nothing but 4 2s are 8 centimeters. This calculation, this type of sum we have done also earlier. Characteristics of the image formed by the convex mirror. What are these? Always it is a diminished image and it is an erected image. And also we can virtually we can say, but in that options it is only you have only these two. But you should remember that it is also a virtual image. Magnification formula F is M is equal to minus B by U. You can also have HI by HO, but in that choices you have only this. Radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 30 centimeters. Focal length, definitely focal length is half of radius, 30 by 2, that is 15 centimeters. Which of the following used as a rear view mirror in vehicles? Convex mirror. Where should we keep the object to get a large virtual image with concave mirror? It should be placed between F and P. The magnification of an object placed at a distance 6 centimeters in front of a concave mirror is -3. What does it mean? It means the image is formed at a distance of 18 centimeters in front of a mirror. See, magnification of the object placed at a distance of 6 centimeters is -3. M is -3. So, where is the image formed? Object is formed at 6 centimeters. Minus V by U. So, minus V by U 6 is equal to -3. minus 6 is equal to minus 3. So my V is nothing but minus 6 into minus 3, that is 18 centimeters. Which mirror is used by dentist to observe the tooth? This is nothing but concave mirror. Convex mirror is used as rear view mirror. The following does not lie in the plane of reflection. Already we have discussed a reflection surface. Which of the following apparatus is not used in the experiment to find focal length of concave mirror? Candle, meter scale, V stand, prism. See, we use candle, we use meter scale, we use V stand, but prism we don't use. So prism is the answer. So with this, I have completed all the questions, 2 marks, 4 marks, 6 marks of the first lesson, reflection of light at curved surfaces. Hope it will help you to prepare well for your SSC examination, children. Right from now, along with your textual question answers, textual matter, if you learn these answers also, it gives a very clear and thorough revision for your preparation. All the best, children. Prepare well.